National Pretzel Day, celebrating a tasty tradition. National Pretzel Day is celebrated on April 26 each year to honor the delicious and versatile snack that has been enjoyed for centuries. Pretzels, known for their unique twisted shape, come in many varieties, including soft and crunchy versions, and are a favorite treat worldwide. The origins of pretzels date back to the early Middle Ages, with some historians believing they were first created by European monks as a reward for children who learned their prayers. Over time, pretzels became a popular snack, especially in Germany, where they are still a staple of traditional cuisine. German immigrants later brought pretzels to America, where they became widely loved, especially in Pennsylvania, a state known for its strong pretzel-making history. On National Pretzel Day, bakeries, restaurants, and snack companies often offer free or discounted pretzels, encouraging people to enjoy this tasty treat. Many people celebrate by baking homemade pretzels, trying new flavors, or learning about the history of pretzel making. This day reminds us of the simple joy of a well-made snack. Whether enjoyed with cheese, mustard, or chocolate, pretzels continue to bring people together, making National Pretzel Day a fun and flavorful celebration.